Greetings from Infra Engineers India Private Limited, IEPL, a multi-brand used construction and mining equipment company. India is a major manufacturing hub for construction equipment and the growth is significant. Global manufacturers have set up world-class machinery manufacturing plants across India. IEPL has successfully exported 340 plus units of used Hitachi excavators across the globe. 20th August 2022 was a big day and a proud moment for IEPL as we dispatched 20 units of used Hitachi excavators with a wide range of models comprising 7 ton to 90 ton to both domestic and overseas. 14 units were shipped to MHJ Heavy Equipment Trading, a leading used equipment supplier in UAE. Having customers across 50 other countries, they maintain a stock of more than 200 units in UAE. Hitachi Japan is having manufacturing facility in India and is exporting across the globe. IEPL has a strong business relation with all the OEMs and dealers across the country to procure quality equipment. The core of the organization is used for equipment refurbishment, taken care by a highly experienced and dedicated team of 225 workforce in our workshop. And by 2023, the workforce will be 400 plus, so as to enable us to recon 1000 plus units of multi-brand. We will also be setting up sales offices overseas and domestic. We have started our domestic division in June 2022. In the first month, we got orders of 32 units and expect to supply 200 units by the end of this financial year. We are also manufacturers for attachments like slope vibratory compactor, high neck, long reach as brand I Pride. IEPL has a tie-up with HDB Financial Services where our customers can comfortably get finance for their used equipment. Contact Infra Engineers India Private Limited for any used construction and mining equipment requirement.